Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Captain. In this video, I am going to tell you about noise cancellation option in iPhone. Noise cancellation is actually whenever you call any person on WhatsApp or on SIM card, the person will receive very good quality voice without any murmuring in the background or murmuring in the sound. So let's start the video. First, you have to open settings in your iPhone. After opening the settings, scroll down and open accessibility. Here you have to find audio and visual option in your iPhone. Here is audio and visual option, tap on it and here you can see phone noise cancellation option. Here is also written that noise cancellation reduces ambient noise on phone calls when you are holding the receiver to your ear. So turn on this option for noise cancellation, and after turning on this option, your phone will now noise cancel the noises which are on the background while calling. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Captain, and I will see you in the next one.